How to make any girl fall in love with you very fast. Building a genuine and lasting connection with someone takes time and effort. It's important to approach relationships with respect and authenticity. While it's not possible to make someone fall in love with you very fast, there are certain strategies that can help foster a deeper emotional connection. Here are some tips to consider. Be yourself. Authenticity is key when it comes to building a meaningful connection. Be genuine and true to yourself. Pretending to be someone you're not will only lead to disappointment in the long run. Embrace your unique qualities. Let your true personality shine. Show genuine interest. Take the time to get to know the girl on a deeper level. Show genuine interest in her thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Ask open-ended questions and actively listen to her responses. This demonstrates that you value her as an individual. You are invested in understanding her on a deeper level. Be a good communicator. Effective communication is vital in any relationship. Be open, honest, and transparent in your conversations. Express your thoughts and feelings clearly. Encourage her to do the same. Good communication helps build trust and emotional intimacy. Build emotional connection. Emotional connection is the foundation of a strong relationship. Share your own emotions and vulnerabilities. Create a safe space for her to do the same. Show empathy, understanding, and support when she opens up to you. This helps foster a deeper bond and creates a sense of emotional closeness. Spend quality time together. Invest time in creating memorable experiences together. Plan activities that you both enjoy and that allow you to connect on a deeper level. This could be anything from going on adventures, exploring shared interests, simply having meaningful conversations. Quality time helps build a stronger emotional connection. Be supportive and caring. Show genuine care and support for her well-being and goals. Be there for her during both the good times and the challenging moments. Offer encouragement. Lend a listening ear, and provide a shoulder to lean on. Being a supportive partner helps create a sense of security and trust. Respect boundaries. It's important to respect her boundaries. Give her space when needed. Understand that everyone has their own pace when it comes to developing feelings. Avoid pressuring or rushing her into anything she's not ready for. Patience and understanding are key. Remember, love takes time to develop. It's important to allow the relationship to grow naturally. Focus on building a strong emotional connection, being genuine. Show care and respect. By following these tips, you can create a solid foundation for a meaningful and potentially long-lasting relationship.